Module 2. Wireless Display Panel Features. The wireless display panel is a standalone alert system. All alarm and reset signals from each sensor pad are coordinated through the panel. Any alert will appear visually and audibly on the panel, as well as through any paired GIL pages. The device acts as a large audio-visual display, which is ideally placed at a nurse's station or wall-mounted in the main ward area where it is clearly visible. If more than one display panel is required, for greater visibility on the ward, any additional panels can be programmed as slave units, which will sync with the master panel. On the front of the display panel, there is a large 2-digit LCD display which specifies the device type and number during active alarms. This panel provides staff visibility at a distance and, in turn, enables caregivers to respond to active alarms quickly. The display will also indicate if signal is lost or a device battery is low. On the left-hand side of the 2-digit display, there are 5 small LED indicators. Power. The LED will illuminate to indicate the device is receiving power. Panel battery. If the backup batteries are low, this LED will flash. Pad, call, and sensor door indicators. The relevant indicator illuminates when programming a device or when there is an active sensor alarm. Below the 2-digit display, there are 5 buttons. The Program, Select 1, and Select 2 buttons are only used when programming sensors and monitors. The Review button is used to scroll through the last 5 active alarm numbers. The Reset button can be used to reset an active alarm. However, we always recommend that the system is reset at the bedside. On the right-hand side of the display panel, there is a volume wheel. The volume can be adjusted accordingly. It is advisable to have some audible alert. The button lock switch locks the programming to prevent any devices from being inadvertently altered or erased from memory. Leave this switched on unless programming a new device into the panel. There is also a tracking switch. Tracking should only be on if mobile devices, for example wheelchairs or pendant call buttons, are being used in conjunction with this system. Otherwise, set this switch to off. On the back of the display panel, there is a removable wall-mounted bracket and battery compartment that can be accessed with a screwdriver. The panel requires 6 AA batteries. Connect the power supply cable into the power supply socket. The radio antenna on top of the display panel sends and receives signals up to a 50-meter radius. Up to 60 devices can be connected with one display panel. 63 different channels can be programmed to avoid interference with nearby devices. Its unique tone sets it apart from other alarms. 2 alarm tone options, scaling alarm B1 or intermittent beep B2. And the ability to pause the entire system for up to 2 hours.